Under construction, Brittney Trace subdivision. Vickery floor plan. Hurry to choose your colors. 3 bedrooms with finished flex/4th bedroom upstairs. 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage. Vaulted family room with fireplace. Vaulted breakfast area and kitchen with island. Vaulted oversized master bedroom with large walk-in closet. Vaulted master bath with double vanity, garden tub and separate oversized shower. Back features covered game day porch. This is a quality built home by Castle Home Builders, with a 10-year home warranty. USDA territory. Stock photos. Rental restrictions.